Welcome back to the channel. Here's a list of the most devastating hurricanes to hit North Carolina.
Number 1. Hurricane Fran made landfall near Wilmington. It caused billions in damage and took at least 14 lives. Here's number 2. Hurricane Dennis, 1999. Although the eye never made landfall, it caused serious beach erosion and flooding. Unfortunately, it was closely followed by Hurricane Floyd. That's going to be the next one. Here's number 3. Hurricane Floyd was a powerful storm to hit the Bahamas before making landfall near the Cape Fear River. Following Hurricane Dennis, which dumped a lot of rain, Floyd just made things worse, flooding and a lot of it. This storm was responsible for 85 fatalities and over $6.5 billion in damage. Here's number 4. Hurricane Bertha made landfall around Wilmington on July 12, 1996. This storm destroyed or damaged thousands of structures, mostly due to the storm surge. Major crop damage was a large part of the loss. Wind speeds were over 100 miles an hour. There were 2 deaths associated with this storm. Number 5. Hurricane Hazel made landfall in North Carolina on October 15, 1954. It was a Category 4, the strongest storm to hit the state, with winds up to 150 miles an hour. 19 people perished in North Carolina alone. The damage was in the millions, making it the most costly storm to hit North Carolina at the time.